Alright guys, so I had my breakfast, had some coffee, feel awake, it's 10 o'clock, fueled my bike. The pump said, minimum is 5 liters. I filled it to the brim, it was 4.6 or 7 liters, but he didn't say anything at the till. I was like, if he were to say something, I would say, fucking charge me just for 5 liters, mate. There's nothing I can do. I cannot fill it anymore. I filled it to the brim, literally fucking to the brim, It's like, nah, nothing I can do anymore. But yeah, he didn't complain or anything, It was close to 5 liters, I suppose, so he didn't complain much. Okay. Just, my mirrors are fucked a bit. That's better. Yeah, so now I'm going towards Scenic Viewpoint. So I'll be stopping there, flying my drone, and then I'm gonna go to like ferry pools or something like that. So I'm gonna go there and maybe fly my drone again. It's a bit further away, so it's a bit different place. And then I'm going to the distillery. So the destinations themselves are not far away. The first few destinations are not far away. This one is 22 minutes away. It's not that far. And then from there to the ferry pools, I think it was called. It's another like maybe half an hour or something like that, So it's not far away. And then to distillery, it's gonna be even closer because the distillery is just like above that ferry pool place. So yeah, basically, I'll be going to this place first. I don't remember how it's called. So I'm gonna take a drone, take some pictures, fly a drone, and then go to the ferry pools, and then to the distillery. And distillery, I will do some pictures on my phone. I don't think I'm gonna fly my drone over there. Excuse me. I don't think I'm gonna fly my drone over there, but I'll do some pictures and you'll have stuff on the camera. Why is he stopping so much? Is he turning? He is turning, okay. So yeah, that's the plan so far. And obviously I'll be going to the north of Isle of Skye. I'm currently the southern part. So I'll be going to the north, of course, and I'll be putting on some music and you can check out the views on the way. And obviously when I have drone footage, you will see that as well. So hope you enjoy. And hopefully it's gonna stay like this weather. I like this weather. 18 degrees, but it's sunny, it's not that bad. So yeah, I'll see you when I get there, or if I have something interesting to talk about.
Show me the way, break my chain. Show me the way, set me free. Show me the way, break my chain. Show me the way,
Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it on like magic. What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? Better again. Don't deliver, truth it tastes so bitter. Walking a fine line, living a white lie. You're wasting my time, waiting for a bright side. Staring up at the ceiling, do we lose the plot? Could you interfere with the feelings? This is all we got. It should have been fucking easy, but turns out it's not. Can someone please stop the bleeding till you call the shots? So staring up at the ceiling, did we lose the plot? Could you interfere with the feelings? This is all we got. It should have been fucking easy, but turns out it's not. Can someone please stop the bleeding?
Would you just be
Okay, so this is the place. I'm gonna find a parking space if I can, because I can go to the left over there somewhere. This is the parking spaces, but do I see a parking space for myself? As I'm not gonna park over here because it's too much of a hassle. However, this is good place. Okay, so I'm gonna fly my drone over here. Someone was calling me as well. I'm gonna fly my drone over here, do some pictures, and move on to my next destination, basically. So you will see the drone footage, I think, in this video. And then I'm gonna just continue on, basically, to the next destination. Yep. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned, there's gonna be a drone video at the end of this. And I will see you in the next part of my Isle of Skye trip.